welcome to my channel. I'm Raxel. I came from India to Germany, and I will be going to show you all my daily life or short videos from the daily life. Just to follow and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Let's go. So guys, you can have a look. This is my daily route for the bicycle tour. Usually I come this side for the bicycle. This is very nice, calm and peaceful. I hope you're gonna like it. Now we are in Bad Karlshafen, Germany, and we are on the way to the riverside next to this area. The way to the riverside. That is my wife who is riding in front of me. Hey Shad. Today we are going to a place my wife will tell you. Where we are going, Shad?
We go to the beach, that's what we done, and then we want to have a refreshment in the water.
Yeah, my wife is coming. It was a hill. We cannot go far. Still there is a long way to go to the river. So now it's a short bicycle ride. So now we are on the mountains area. 34 degrees temperature. Yeah, we have still doing bicycle ride. Don't like it. To go down from this side. It's very dangerous. Look, become fields. Lonely at the moment. If you're feeling bored, people at home, just do the bicycle ride. It's fully motivated and also the sport. We have arrived to the river. So this is a river shot. We are going a little bit further to check if there is a place to go down, like a strap or something, because here is a little bit dangerous to go down. There is no straps. It's like a shallow and slippery. We will find a good place. See, yeah, we found something here. We can go down here with the steps, so no dangerous. A short break for swimming a little bit. How you feel, Shot? Is it good? Very cold? It's very cold now. Oh my god, it's very cold. Do you like it? It's short relaxing in the water. It's very cold water. Is it cold, Shot?
Yes, but nice.
Are you enjoying it? My wife is already started lying in the water. I'm getting a little bit scared of the cold temperature. I don't know if I should go in the water or not. I'm just sitting at the moment. Do you feel good?
Yes.
Very nice. Oh guys, some people do the kayaking also here. In German it's called canoe.
Now my hubby is inside the water.
Guys, we are in Germany. The water is very, very cold. I think it's -18 degrees. First time in the river. Same. Sunbathing in the river. place where I stay in Germany, and here the normally the vanities are coming for the holidays, like mostly it's on the summertime. Usually in the summertime it's full here. Now almost the winter is coming, so the vanities are getting less and less. Have a look, guys. That's it for today. We came just back home. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Have a nice day, guys. Thank you. Ciao.